Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of full screen on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve full screen on Picsart, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default tabs, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Picsart. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.